I'm going to show you how I made this slow cooker sausage casserole. It's really easy to make and you can be as flexible as you want to be by adding whatever vegetables you have to hand. So start by adding some thick pork sausages. You'll want to brown them off either separately in an air fryer or an oven, or even directly in the slow cooker if it's got a sear function built in. Then add your chosen vegetables. So I've got celery, carrots, onion, garlic, some peppers. You can use whichever ones you have available. Then I've added a teaspoon of dried mixed herbs, some ground black pepper, followed by some Worcestershire sauce, so just a splash or maybe about a teaspoon. Then I have added a tin of chopped tomatoes. You could use passata instead, or you could just use fresh tomatoes, but I prefer the tin chopped tomatoes. Then I've added 400 millimetres of beef stock. You could use vegetable stock instead if you prefer. Then give everything a little bit of a stir. Doesn't need to be stirred too much really. Then pop the lid off and set it off on low for 7 to 9 hours or high for 4 hours. Then at the end, if you want to, you can add in some frozen peas, just give them a little stir around and pop the lid back on and leave it for probably about 5 to 10 minutes on high and they'll cook through. You can also add some more hot stock or some hot water if you prefer a bit more gravy. And that's it, that's how you make a sausage casserole in the slow cooker. It's really simple, it's really flexible, and you can just add whatever ingredients you have available really. I hope you enjoyed this slow cooker recipe. If you want more, then please do hit the subscribe button and the like button, that would be great. And leave me a comment below if you make it. Or you can head over to Liana's kitchen, where there's loads more slow cooker recipes and there's lots of details about this one where you can also print out the recipe. Thanks very much for watching and I'll see you next time.